Eva, and today we will be making a fresh berry spritzer. So without further ado, let's get started. Wait, before we start, let's go wash our hands. Before we make anything in the kitchen, we always want to make sure to wash our hands to ensure that there's no bacteria on our hands. Be right back. Now that our hands are clean, we're now going to start to prepare a mise en place. Mise en place is French for everything in this place. So before we start cooking, we want to make sure that all of our ingredients and materials are ready for us to start cooking. In our mise en place today, we have a bunch of ingredients and super cool materials. So, to start, we have blue agave, sparkling water, a mixed berry blend which consists of strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries, some mint leaves for garnishing, and for our materials we have a wooden spoon, our chef knife, a blender, measuring spoons and cups, a pitcher, and a glass for later. Are you wondering where you get all these super cool materials? Well, I have a tip for you. Behind me is the Rainbow Chef's backpack. Inside you can find all the materials that we'll be using through all the videos on this channel. So if you would like to buy one, go ahead and check out our website. To begin our berry spritzer, we're going to start off by blending together our berry mix. So again, in our berry mix we have strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries, and we're simply going to pour them into our blender. I'm also going to leave behind a few blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries for garnishing later. Now that we get all the yucky seeds out, we're now going to throw these away, and then we are left with this beautiful dark berry pureed juice. This will make our drink super pretty and come out into a light pink. Now that we've finished our berry puree, we're going to put this to the side. Next, we're going to start on our agave. So you're going to grab your pitcher, a third of a cup or a 2/3 cup measurement cup, and the blue agave. You're going to pour 2/3 of a cup of agave into our pitcher. Agave is a light sugar syrup that is way better than the white sugar. A lot of the kids around America are using white sugar or drinking soda that is not very good for you. But using agave is a great replacement to help with vitamins and nutrition. Now that we put our blue agave into our pitcher, we're now going to pour our fresh berry puree that we made into the pitcher as well. Next, we're going to pour the rest of our berries in. I'm going to save a few for the garnish. And then we're going to pour in our sparkling water. Wait for the pitcher to get out. You can already tell how pretty it is. It's like a really dark purple, and purple happens to be my favorite color. After pouring our sparkling water into our pitcher, we're going to grab our wooden spoon and mix together all the stuff that we added into our pitcher. Make sure to get all the blue agave that is at the bottom so that way our drink is nice and sweet. Mom, it's wrong. And there you have it, a berry spritzer. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and like and subscribe down below. See you again soon!
My name is Claire and welcome to Rainbow Chef's Academy. I'll be your Rainbow Chef for today. Today we're going to be making a delicious dessert drink called lassi. First, we're going to wash our hands for 30 seconds so all the bacteria and germs are off our hands. Be right back. For my mise en place, first, mise en place means everything is placed in English. Now, this is pineapple, mango, almond milk, a cup, and a NutriBullet. Step is to cube this pineapple. Before we do, there's this claw method. You make your best bear claw, and then you put it on top of the pineapple. You don't want to cut your fingers. Before we also cut again, we have this finger method. So you have your thumb and your pointer finger right around your knife, and the rest of your fingers go around the handle. Now, you cut it like this, Then we're going to cut it again, but as small as we can so it's cute. Now we're going to cube the makeup. Okay, now we're going to pour 1 cup of almond. For our last step, we're going to pour the almond milk inside this container. Then we're going to take our cut mangoes inside this container as well. Then we're going to put our cut pineapple inside of the container. I'm going to close this. And now we're going to blend it. Now I'm going to pour this in. That is really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like and subscribe. I hope to cook with you again. Bye!
Hi, welcome to Rainbow Chef's Academy. My name is Katya, and today we're making watermelon aqua fresca, which is a fun and refreshing drink you can make at home. Now let's get everything in measured squares, which means everything in place. The ingredients that we will be using today is half a watermelon, some lemon slices, some water, and some coconut sugar, which is a healthier alternative from white sugar. Okay, let's get started. So now we're going to cube the watermelon. And remember, whenever you're using a knife, always use this cloth with your hands. There's no chance of your fingers getting cut. So you just go like that. Now you need 3/4 cups of water. That's 1. That's 2, that's 3. And then you need about 2 cups of watermelon, so out of your bowl you can just take the cup. Now that our watermelon in water that we just made is done blending, we can divide it between the 3 cups. So you can just pour some. Add on some lemon slices, so to cut a lemon and then that. And just add that to the side. And take some mint leaves and just sprinkle them on top. And just like that. And then it's a perfect healthy drink and better than some soda. And I hope you enjoy making this healthy alternative and a fun drink. And don't forget to like and subscribe.